So guys, now I'm trying to use this one default version and see that's working or not. So I got this response from Gemini. It told me that use Action Manager to see if it's working or not, and it's doing some things. Let's see what is gonna happen. So I don't know what it's doing, but I'm gonna just wait and see what is happening. So I'm not sure what it's doing, by the way. I told him to take a screenshot, and that's what he did. So let me check here what it said that the goal, then return. Okay. I'm not sure it's already done or not. Okay, if I check here, it's all okay, but still I'm not getting any answer. Let me check what to do here. It's saying that in chart, type exactly this. The agent try to launch the browser. Watch it the chat window closely. It should fail or pause. So something I need to step a agent or browser controller driver. Look for setup, fix button appear in the chart agent sidebar. Click it. This usually launches a special Chrome window with the pop-up pointing to correct extension installer. Okay, we have only one of that. Okay. If the agents hang and doesn't give you a setup button, your logo comes likely confused. You need to delete the brain to start fresh. I did exactly like this. I'm gonna show you again. Okay. So I don't sure the what is happening right now. Let me put it again the context. Now you're doing again. So it's generating that. Now as you can see that now it's saying that acknowledging redundance. I have analyzed that. Repeat request. I'm now revisiting that. Okay. So agent is open on your browser, capturing the screenshot view. We are just seeing everything. Okay. As you can see it's happening. Okay, review changes. You still don't understand about how they did it. Okay, it's already done whatever you asked for. As you can see it's given me the answer, but when I do this way, like I want to do that, we do not see anything that we want to see. We're saying like we are seeing now this one. Okay, and take customize it. Welcome to Activity browser control. The agent can click, scroll, type, and navigate web page. Simple to integrated conversion, and the browser will use automatically when approach. Example, going database. Okay, so it was showing before, but also asking for install the extension. I'm not sure it's gonna work or not, so I'm gonna say that open index.html in browser. Okay, I'm gonna say that. Let's see what is doing that. I hope it works. Okay, evidence local server and postpone. So as you can see that now it is working. No, no, it's not working. As you can see that we are not saying it. It's generally, you know, anti-gravity is working everything. As you can see that it given me the screenshot. I don't know how it really works. Okay, I won't lie. So I will say that I want you to test out performance and other things in browser. One thing I know that now it can control the browser and able to do the things, but not sure that we can do the same way as we see in the video, that we can able to change everything in a browser itself. We don't need to use this one. Let's see what happens. As you can see that they can take the screenshot. Okay. And so launching health checkups, it's not opening in a server rather than just opening the file, and here you can't check live properly. So it can control Chrome browser. That's something I can say to you, that it can control, and as you can see it's doing that. And I'm not sure that if it work without the extension or not. I will check it out. Okay, so it did with what we asked for it. You can see that it's a video, small screenshots, and as you can see there's an extension here. I click, nothing happens. Okay, and we are saying these things again, it's doing that. But it's not opening like a server. It's rather than opening like you see, like in files it opening. And so okay, I'm not sure how to use it properly, this thing. So I'm gonna try and figure out more about this. But let's see, if I remove that, will it work or not? That's something I want to ask. But the problem that it happened before, like whenever I clicked, it shown the option like let me check it again that if I'm getting the same issues or not. Okay, I open in a browser, and as you can see that I'm not saying any kind of pages, like saying that strong extension, it's an old one. So again I'll try. Okay, click here. Okay, okay, let me remove everyone. Okay, I remove everyone, and I believe that it is off now. Again I'll click, and nothing happens. Before I see, like I used to see uh, things like that, but I can't able to use these functionalities. So I'll figure out, and then I'm gonna tell you how to do it. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Bye.